In BricsCAD V26, we've rebuilt the way project data is managed, so critical information is always consistent across your drawings. When you start a project, you set up important details that everyone on the team needs to use. These might include project location and levels and story heights, property definitions such as IFC classifications or custom properties, and material compositions for items like walls and slabs. With our new BSYSLIB, anytime you update this project level information, the changes flow automatically to all drawings in the project. That means everyone with access to the project folder is always working with the same up-to-date information. Here's what it looks like in practice. A team starts by creating a project, entering the known details and saving them to the shared location. Later, an engineer working on site is making updates. Equipment levels are verified, a wall composition gets added for accurate detailing, and properties can be input. Back at the office, the drafting team saves their work, and instantly their project info is updated, and they can begin updating their shop drawings. If there's a conflict, a notification lets them know. The result, with V26, teams communicate better, work faster, and make fewer mistakes, because everyone is working from the same single source of truth.